Hello everyone, I am going to explain question number 9th of exercise 17.1 of class 10th. The question is, the average of 13 numbers is 24. If 3 is added to each number, what will be the change in new mean? So here we have the 13 numbers and their average is given to us 24. Now what they had done is, in each 13 numbers they had added extra 3 in all. So because of that their sum will also change, and according to that their average will also change. Now they are telling to us that we have to find out the new mean. So we'll start by the given thing. The average of 13 number is 24. If 3 is added to each numbers, then change in new mean is equal to. Now here what we had done is, total means their original mean is given to us 24. So 24 just write as it is. Now since they had added 3 in each 13 numbers, so we'll find out that how much extra we had added in all. Now since 3 is added 13 times, that's why some total 3 which added is 3 into 13. Now how many numbers they had total, how many times they had added 3? That is 13 times. So this is the average of the extra 3 which they added, that is 3 into 13 upon 13. So that is this will give us the mean of extra 3 which they had added in all 13 numbers. So next step is 24 as it is, and when we simplify this, you can see 13 you can cancel by 13. So 3 we got here, that is 24, and 3 is equal to 27. So the conclusion is the new mean is 27. How we achieved this? 24 is the mean of 13 number already given to us, and 3 is the mean of 3 which they added in all 13 numbers. So this 3 is the mean of extra 3 which they had added. That's why the total mean is 24 plus 3. So how we got this term? Again I want to explain. We had used the mean formula, that is sum of data upon number of data. So how I got this sum directly? Because 3 is added in all 13 number one by one, that is 3 plus 3 plus 3. So like this they had added 3 13 times. So how many is total extra 3? That is 3 into 13. So that will give us the sum of data upon number of data, that is 13 times they had added the 3, that is number of data is 13. So this complete giving us the mean of extra 3 which they had added in all 13 numbers. So already the mean of 13 numbers is 24, and extra mean which we got is 3. So total mean is 27. Now, so the answer is 24 plus 3. Why I wrote here 24 plus 3? Because they want to know that how much is the new mean. So original mean is 24, new is 30, so total is 27. Now students, in the same way we'll start the question number 10th of same exercise. Question 10th is, in a school average monthly salary of 5 employees is 3000. After retirement of one employee, average monthly salary of remaining becomes 3200. So initially how many employees were there? 5. Now how many got retired? 1. So how many remained? 4 employees. So the conclusion is, this 3000 is the average salary of 5 employees, and this 3200 is average salary of 4 employees, because 1 employee is retired, got retirement. Now what they are asking, what was the salary of retired employee at the time of retirement? Now we want to know that how much is the salary of retired employee during the retirement. So here students, we had solved initially one question, that is the number which is removed out. Same type of the same question. Here we'll start by the given thing. In a school, average monthly salary of 5 employees is 3000, which is given to us. So we want to know the sum of data. So students, sum of data formula is, sum of data is equal to number of data multiplied by mean. So here instead of sum of data I wrote sum of salary of 5 employees is equal to number of data, how many employees we have, 5, and their average salary is 3000, so total is 15,000. So this 15,000 is the sum of all salaries of 5 employees. Now in the same way, one employee is retired, so how many employees remain? 4. Now 4 employees average salary is 3200, so we will calculate sum of 4 employees salary, that is 4 multiplied by their average. This also we got by the formula sum of data is equal to mean multiplied by number of data. So that gave us the average total salary of 4 employees is rupees 12,800. Now students, this is the total salary of 5 employees, and this is the sum of salaries of 4 employees. So to find out the salary of retired employees, we'll subtract the sum of salary of 5 employees minus sum of salaries of 4 employees. So answer is rupees 2,200. So this is the salary of retired employee during the retirement. So this is the answer. Thank you.